Hello and happy holidays, my friends. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. My name is Ellen. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my Southern Kitchen, the 432nd episode and the 9th episode of Ellen's Christmas Series 2020. Tis the season for eggnog, a staple of the holiday season. So today I'm going to share with all of you a great breakfast or brunch recipe that'll be perfect for this time of the year. Eggnog French toast. And my friends, it is thebomb.com. It's going to be so delicious, decadent, simple and easy to make. And it's going to be full of eggnog flavor. It's sure to make your mouth water. This will be great on Christmas morning. And if you're hosting a holiday brunch, everybody's gonna fall in love with this. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my Breakfast and Brunch recipes playlist and my eggnog recipes playlist from homemade eggnog to eggnog cupcakes. And my previous video, red velvet cupcakes. I'll post a link to all of those down below in the description box. So grab your bread, your griddle, and your eggnog sugar, because we're about to cook some eggnog French toast magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is make the custard. In my bowl, I have 2 extra large eggs that are lightly beaten. And we're going to add in our spices. A half a tablespoon of packed light brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, and 1/8 of a teaspoon each, which is a pinch of ground nutmeg and salt. 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. 1/4 of a teaspoon of pure rum extract, or you can add more if you like. And last but not least, the star of the show, the eggnog. We're going to add in 1.5 cups. And give it a quick whisk until everything is well incorporated. Smells good. Smells like the holidays. Nothing like the smell of eggnog. Alright, my friends, our custard is done. See how simple and easy it was? Now we're ready to cook our French toast. I have preheated my griddles nice and hot. And I got my bread over here. I'm using Texas toast, or you can use any kind of thick bread. So now I'm going to spray my griddle with some cooking spray, or you can use butter. So we're going to take our Texas toast, dip in the custard about 10 seconds. And dip it on the other side. Let it soak for another 10 seconds. I'm going to take it out of the custard and put it onto the hot griddle. Like so. So now we're going to let our French toast cook until they're golden brown. Time to flip the French toast. Here we go. Gorgeous! Beautiful. So now we're going to let the French toast finish cooking on the other side. Alright, my friends, I'm through cooking my French toast, and I put them on my plate. And it smells phenomenal up in this kitchen. So now there's a couple more things we got to add to them. some whipped cream, sprinkling of ground cinnamon, and some maple syrup. And there you have it, my friends, eggnog French toast. Doesn't that look delicious? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Mmm. Mmm. Fluffy and light. I can taste the rum extract. I'm in heaven. If y'all love eggnog, y'all gonna love this French toast. This is fantastic, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum oh. Eggnog French toast licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Instagram or send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love. Stay safe. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.